Just heard from the minister. What can you tell us about the motivation, the encouragement you've got from Mr. President?
Yeah, thank you very much. If you recall what the happenings in our country currently, and the fact that Mr. President actually cancelled his trip to the AU and the G2 summit in South Africa, to focus on the issues back at home. And we're just coming out from the situation room currently, whereby the president actually chaired that meeting and to also brief him on some of the things that have been happening since these unfortunate incidents have happened in the country. Presently, we are receiving very good positive news from from Kwara State, where the entire 38 people that were abducted have been reunited with their families. And progress is also made from Niger State, whereby we have 51 of those students that have now reunited with their families. For Kebbi State, efforts are also yielding positive results. Progress is being made substantially in that aspect. And all security forces are still deployed there, cordon of the whole general area, whereby we expect that we'll have some also news from that general area. During the directive meeting with Mr. President, he also made mention of the fact that or made certain pronouncements and give certain directives which actually concerns the police, and I believe that the IG will also make that public.
All right, thank you, Chief, sir. IG, you just heard from the Chief. What is new coming from the Nigerian police to really give momentum to this fight against insecurity?
Yeah, okay. This emergency meeting of the service chief with the Inspector General of Police with Mr. President is to review recent incidents of abduction of school children in Kebbi and in Niger, an attack on vulnerable communities. Mr. President took briefings from all of us, and he's satisfied with our efforts so far. He's particularly happy with the recent development in Kwara, where all the 38 abducted victims from a church have all been rescued and reunited with their families. Mr. President went further to give orders to us, orders which include the immediate action to free the police from VIP protection and provide more men for the ongoing fight against.
What do you mean? What do you mean about the VIP protection?
Yeah, what I mean is that Mr. President gave direct order that immediately policemen providing VIP protection should be made available to join the forces, combating the... You see, the policemen providing VIP protection presently are to be withdrawn, and they are to complement the ongoing efforts against criminalities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You want to add something? You want to add something to it?
You said it all.
Okay. What hope do you think Nigerians...
Very soon, Nigerians would also hear very positive developments and news on this front. So, all in all, there is cause for Nigerians to be upbeat that the Commander-in-Chief is sitting and is managing the situation, and positive results are coming on very gradually. And believe me, we have every reason to unite behind the government at this hour in Nigeria.
Well, we're all aware of what is happening around our country, and Mr. President, in his ways, has decided to summon all the security heads to the villa this Sunday evening to discuss these matters, because it is of utmost importance to Mr. President. Therefore, discussions have held, and I would want to introduce first the Chief of Air Staff here, and the Chief of Army Staff, the Inspector General of Police, and the Honorable Minister of Solid Minerals. We just came out of a meeting with Mr. President, and the Chief of Army Staff will brief you on some of the decisions taken at this meeting.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Chief, sir,